The best 15 foods that are better than painkillers. Even though the majority of us are aware of the things and routines that need to be done in order to maintain a health and mental balance, only a few follow these. Having a healthy lifestyle includes eating whole grains, no sugar, no soda, no alcohol, no processed foods, and of course, regular exercise. Unfortunately, these healthy foods are last on the menu of many people. We all know the popular saying, "You are what you eat." So, make sure to eat healthier food and keep a health and mental balance. Bear in mind that foods are medicines, so it is very important to choose carefully. Your body will thank you. 1. Ginger for aching muscles. According to a Danish study, ginger has the ability to reduce muscle and joint pain, swelling by 63% due to its active compound known as gingerol. Take 1 teaspoon ginger every day in order to prevent pain. 2. Cloves for tooth pain. The experts recommend clove chewing for teeth and gum pain. It contains eugenol and it has anesthetic properties. In order to regulate blood sugar and cholesterol, you should add 1/4 teaspoon cloves in your meal. 3. ACV for heartburn. You should sip a spoon of ACV in 8 ounces water before a meal, and you will eliminate acid reflux in 1 day. MD Brasco Joseph, an expert for gastromedicine and digestive diseases, claims that ACV contains malic and tartaric acid beneficial for digestion of proteins and fats. 4. Garlic for ear pain. To eliminate your ear pain, you will need 2 drops of garlic oil. Apply this in your ear and repeat the procedure for 5 days. Garlic is considered as better than meds because it contains powerful active compounds, sulfur and selenium, known for their ability to eliminate pain as well as bacteria. To prepare the oil, you should simmer 3 cloves with half tablespoon of olive oil for 2 minutes. 5. Cherries for joint pain and headache. Headache, arthritis, and gout are the most common conditions that a number of people experience every day. Cherries can help you to treat your headache and joint pain. All you have to do is to eat a bowl of cherries on a daily basis. According to a study, cherries are even 10 times better than ibuprofen and aspirin. 6. Fish and belly pain. 18 ounces fish weekly can cure indigestion, IBD, and IBS. You can consume trout, salmon, tuna, mackerel, herring, and sardines. Barry Sears, a biology chemist, claims that EPA and DHA are most effective for inflammation, having no side effects. Fish can prevent inflammation, cramps, and belly pain. 7. Yogurt for PMS. When having PMS, the nervous system is sensitive and spikes up and down of estrogen and progesterone. It is estimated that more than 80% of females have PMS. 2 cups of yogurt a day can ease the PMS symptoms by 48%. Mary Jane Minkin, MD, says that this drink is rich in calcium, which has the ability to soothe nerves and hormonal pain. 8. Turmeric for chronic pains. It is scientifically proven that turmeric is 3 times more effective than aspirin, naproxen, and ibuprofen. According to the experts of Cornell, turmeric can remove pain by 50% for fibromyalgia. It is recommended to take 1/4 teaspoon turmeric a day with veggies, rice, poultry, and meat. 9. Oats for endometrial pain. Endometriosis is uterus lining that can grow outwards and cause a severe pain. Oats have the ability to remove this pain by 60%. Oats have no gluten, thus effectively remove inflammation. 10. Salt for feet ache. In order to remove infections, soak the ingrown nails in salty warm water and repeat this procedure for 4 days. Salt removes the swelling, inflammation, germs and bacteria. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in 1 cup of water, and soak your feet in it for 20 minutes. 11. Pineapple for digestion. The experts from California Stanford University claim that 1 cup of pineapple juice can remove bloating in 3 days. This juice contains enzymes that can improve your digestion. 12. Mint for sore muscles. Stengler Markindi, an author of The Natural Physician's Healing Therapies and Naturopath, says that you can relax your muscles by soaking yourself in water and 10 drops of mint oil. Compared to painkillers, this therapy works better by 25%. 13. Grapes for back TLC. According to Ohio State University, 1 cup of grapes a day can relax vessels of blood in damaged tissues, thus improving the blood flow. 14. Tomato juice for leg cramps. Leg cramps can be caused by potassium deficiency, diuretics, or workouts. In order to recover yourself, you should take 10 ounces of tomato juice a day. 15. Coffee for migraine. The National Headache Foundation claims that coffee has the ability to eliminate migraine by 40%.